In this video, we're going to think about headings and subheadings and what they help us do. In a non-fiction text, they help us navigate the page. By splitting the page into relevant information around the topic, it makes it easier for the reader to find the information that they're looking for. Here I've got an example of a non-fiction page about explorers. So as you can see, the heading of the page is titled Why Explore. So that means this whole page's information is going to be the reasons why people went exploring. Each paragraph is then split up into these smaller subheadings. As you can see, these titles, these mini titles, are in bold and they stand above the rest of the paragraph. They act as a title to show me what that paragraph is then going to be about. Here you can see I've zoomed in even more onto the non-fiction page. So under my main heading, I've got an opening paragraph that briefly summarises why explorers like to explore. And then it goes into more detail in these subsequent paragraphs. And at the top we can see the subheading, New Land, Wealth, Knowledge. So the reader can quickly see at a glance the three main reasons why people like to explore, but then it goes into more detail about each one. Here's an information page about Eid. So when you're researching your different celebrations from around the world, try and organise your notes using headings and subheadings. So Eid, your Islamic celebration, could be your main heading, your main title, and then you could have subsequent paragraphs about that celebration. So what is Ramadan? Why do Muslims fast? How do Muslims mark the end of Ramadan? And then I go into detail answering those questions. This way my notes are organised, and then tomorrow when I come to write my leaflet, I'm going to have all the information I need organised, ready to go on each page.